This video's taken a lot more takes than I first thought, but it's about time we get it done. So what's actually happened to my channel, to Home Lab Networks, why the sudden change, and what's actually going on. We've gone from Home Lab videos to Proxmox to home servers, how to build a home lab, what is a home lab, all the things you can do with a home lab, and so on and so forth, to now Call of Duty gameplay. So in a nutshell, because I'm going to keep this simple and short because it's got to do with the legal side to life, which I don't really like talking about, but pretty much April 2023, my now ex-partner took off with my 2 children, fled interstate, made all the false allegations, and then in the end I had to go to court to get the order to bring my kids back so I could actually see them. And then it's gone from getting the order to a mediation, which in the end went all our way, thankfully. We got everything we asked for, and now it's shared care with the children. So that all up took a good 12 months to get all that sorted, and a lot of money. And so now it is pretty much 50-50 shared care with the kids. But in that 12 months, I had to move out of my family home that I have bought, and along with that came my computer set up, not having all my servers set up, and nothing in that department running whatsoever. So for the last 12 months, all my equipment, computers, servers, NASs, the whole lot of it sat in a corner, turned off. And if it actually turns back on in the future, I'll be really surprised. Is the main reason as to why, as far as home lab videos go, I haven't made any, because I physically cannot make any. And also I just want to say a big thank you to the recent support through everything, and the channel still surprisingly has grown a fair bit, considering I haven't done a whole lot. Not because I'm lazy, I just haven't been able to. I went through the stage of reposting some of my content, but I just stopped doing that because I think it's ridiculous. And I thought, well, if I can't make any videos, I'm not going to post. People, I've been sending updates on Twitter and the YouTube post community tab. And also big thanks to people who've come by the live streams, and the shorts at the moment are doing really well, which is making me really happy. Pretty much all that has happened. I went out randomly and bought a PlayStation 5. And then ever since then, I've just been doing the Call of Duty zombie live streams, because I thought, well, it's better than reposting old videos over and over. It's very different to what I have been doing. Thank you, because I've gotten a response, or there's people, thanks to you guys, coming by the stream each day, each night, leaving likes, comments, interacting with you guys, which is awesome. So then what's going to happen moving forward? So as you can notice and see, the channel has been rebranded to AJ's Home Lab, also known as Home Lab Networks. And also have bought a new gaming laptop. Not so much for gaming, but it's just a bit more powerful than the old laptop I have been using to edit and make videos. The laptop's about 5 years old, it's way too slow. So I just went out, bought a new one, and that's its purpose. It's just an everyday PC, powerful, and it can do what it needs to do quickly. So moving forward, I'm going to keep up the Call of Duty live streams, as people do enjoy that. They like it, and again, I can interact with people, and we can have a good time. But moving forward, we have started property settlement on the house. Well, I thought we have, but that's going to end up back in court. But I am selling the house, and then once that sells, I can move out of my parents' house and then set up all my equipment and servers, computer setups, get back into the home lab, word for it, industry, I guess, start doing those videos again, plus the Call of Duty videos, and just, so the future for this channel is, my main focus is Call of Duty live streams and just having some fun, killing some zombies. That really is what's happened in the last 2 years like that. Well, the family law case, that's a very nutshell of what I just said. There's a lot more that's happened to it, which I won't go into detail ever, but there's a lot more to it. And just FYI, guys, the trauma that this causes the children in family law is heartbreaking, and I really advise don't go through this process. I said I only have done it because I had to, but if you can, definitely do keep it out of family law and try and sort it out yourselves. Keep up the live streams, get back to home lab and servers and doing what I love and what built this channel from the beginning. I want to get back into that as soon as possible, and I'll go on in the future. So it's amazing. You've gone from home lab to nothing, to a business, to nothing. Now it's a Call of Duty. It's been one hell of a ride. But again, I want to thank everyone who comes by the channel, subscribes, likes, comments, because that's still happening. And a big thank you, because we are nearly at 2,000 subscribers, which is amazing. And just going to be like that forever. It's just getting through this period of time, and then we can get back to business. And yeah, that's in a nutshell pretty much what's happened. Just leave that update here now and leave that, guys, in your hands and see what you think about it. And again, thanks for the support, and thanks for coming by each day or night, wherever you are in the world. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.